Hey everybody, I'm back with another haul, and believe it or not, I'm pre-recording this video, and this is the same day as the last yard sale I went to. So you saw my desk when I showed you all the stuff. I cleaned it, I put my stuff away, and I'm ready to craft again. But now I've got new stuff again. Some packages came today, and so we're going to talk about some more stuff that I acquired. First up is this wax seal. It came with this color wax, and it's because it's a gingerbread. You see it? I thought it would be super cute for some Christmas envelopes. So I did purchase this off of Etsy. I will need to find some wax in this color because it is the perfect color for a gingerbread. This was part of the order. I guess it came with it, so it came with one. It doesn't have to be this color, obviously, but, you know, let's see if I can get it to, there we go. It's super cute. So I got that. That was just a couple of bucks. It wasn't too bad. And then I decided I was going to make another paper tray ink order because they have something back in stock and also some stuff on sale. So first, I'll show you these. This is a Sentimentals stamp set. It actually does have a gingerbread in it. It's right here, if you can see. There he is. I want to store this with all my gingerbread stamps. It's also got a mug. Really, really cute. I don't think there is a die set with this. There may have been. I don't remember. I might have. I know I have the set already, but it is stored with all my Christmas stuff in a separate drawer. But I want to store this with my ginger stuff. And it has some really cute sentiments like, can I read it? Sugar and spice, make the holiday so nice. And then there's some, my life is sweeter because of you. But there's a whole bunch of sentiments in here that relate to the stamp set, but there is a ginger in here that I wanted to go ahead and store together with all my ginger stuff. And then I got this set, Tremendous Treats Christmas, and I don't think I have this set yet, but it also has a gingerbread in it. You can kind of see it on the contact sheet right there. So there's the actual stamp. But I thought this would be cute as well to have. And because they were on, sale, I was like, that's a good price. And I ordered this die set, which I don't believe I have yet, but I have the stamp. This is one that goes with their existing stamp sets. It's the one that has the gingerbread house and the two gingerbreads. So this die set actually has a girl and a boy, both in pretty good size. And then the house with the two candy canes. The candy canes come off, of course. And then there's a heart that you can use on the house or on the gingers. So I got that die set. And I forget what the name of the set is that this goes with, but I think I have it already. So I just never got the dies. And then I purchased 3 of the stitching dies. I do have this one already. But I like to cut, because you have to cut 2 at a time to sew them together. I like to economize my cutting and do it all in one pass. So that's what this guy is. And then you have these 2 others that are kind of like a girl and a boy design. So here is one that has like the bow die and then, or the bow and then the buttons. And then you've got these little pieces here for the buttons, and there's even a candy. So there's that one. And these were in stock. One of these I didn't have yet, and so I went ahead and ordered an extra one so that I can cut 2 at a time. So there's this one, which you could see she's got a jumper, and then all these parts and pieces you can sew onto her. So like this piece right here, I believe it goes here. I could be wrong about that. I'm thinking. Because if you were to line that up, yeah, I don't know. It looks like a dress. So yeah, really, really cute. I think I didn't have this one yet. So, and they're really good prices, by the way. These are not expensive dies. I don't think they were. It's the shipping that's going to get you. And I definitely got the free shipping, I believe. So anyway, those are the items I purchased from Paper Tray Inc. recently. And then I did get my order from the Greetery. And this order went in on Thursday. It's Saturday, so it got here in less than 2 days. Inside the Greetery release, there was this oven, and it's a box. And I know that I just showed you a Tim Holtz die that I purchased that makes a 2D oven. So I'm going to compare the ones that I have because I have a couple. Here's the Tim Holtz one, and this is 2D, and it fits these little shaker windows. So you can pop this on here, and you can make it a shaker out of the oven. And it's 2-dimensional. It's not 3-dimensional. Okay? Lawn Fawn put one out some years ago. It's called Sprinkled with Joy add-on. And there's the stamp set right there. Again, it's a 2D oven. So this one cuts a slit right here, and the door opens down. So you can see how big that die is compared to this one. Okay? And then the one from the Greetery is, like I said, it's a box. So you can make it 2-dimensional, but this will make a full-on box. And it comes with lots of different pieces, just as the other ones do, to work with it. It doesn't make a shaker, but if you were to make it into a shaker, you could easily do that. You could just, you know, cut some acetate to go in the window and then cut the extra piece off that you don't need to make the shaker. It just takes a little finagling. I like how she did the burners. That's really cute. And then, of course, you get hooks, which I don't think the other products have. There's hooks that you can hook the oven mitt, spatula, and what is this called? Trivet or whatever. Pot holder. And she put in a little cookie sheet inside here. Okay, so it's proportional to this, and there's the cookies. This is her stamp set that she released to go with it. Hopefully you can see that. And the word bake is there. And then there is this die set as well. I got the entire release, guys. So there's a larger cookie sheet, which is smaller than the largest cookie sheet I have. I have a bigger one, and she even put a rolling pin. Look at these cookies. They're different sizes. There's not a ginger in here, though. I don't know why she didn't put a ginger in. But I have gingers now because I have the Tim Holtz die. And then this stamp here has a lot of sayings. Although there's no from my kitchen. There's from Mom's kitchen, from Grandma's kitchen, from Auntie's kitchen. But not from my kitchen. My mom doesn't cook anymore. And she doesn't live with me, so my grandmother passed, and so did his. And my aunts, yeah, I don't live with them, and they're not near me, so anyway. But yeah, I mean, I don't know why from my kitchen's not here. It would have been nice. But there's some of the other parts and pieces for the oven. So there's that. And then there's this word joy. You get the outline and you get the inset, so you can layer them up. She also released this hot plate. Now, I have the a foiling system from the first, you know, like one of the first foiling systems that came out. Now, we're not talking about toner reactive foil. We're talking about heat reactive foil. I have one of those systems that I bought a long time back. I didn't really care for it. It just takes too many steps. I will try it again to see if I like it. I don't expect to, but this was in the release, and since I bought the entire release because I hit that one button that said buy it all, it's just easier for me. This was in my order, so we'll see how I do with that. I've got to find that tool. I don't even know where it is. It's somewhere. All right, so this is the new Curio Cabinet set. So this on the left makes the topper for the cabinet, and there's a whole series that she's put out. Well, she had previous releases with something like this. I think she had leaves for the last one. I didn't order the autumn release. And then there's a die set for ornaments, and these ornaments fit inside these boxes. So if you imagine like the packaging for the old Shiny Bright ornament boxes, that's what she's thinking, because there's 2 stamps that she also put out in the release. Let me pull them. That are rubber stamps. And whoops, I shouldn't have picked that up. There's this one, which is like your box front. And if you look on her website in her lookbook, you can see these. There's 2. One's vertical and the other one's, well, horizontal. So it's the same idea that says, have a very Merry Christmas. Wishing you and yours a very Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. And then you got a present here, and then 100% Merry Christmas. I think that's what it says. And then this one is hoping your holiday is merry and bright. Merry Christmas. And then it says 100% Merry Christmas. So it's like packaging that you would see on those ornament boxes. And then these are the dies that will cut the window out. And then the banner as well. So, yeah, that's going to be fun to play with. But yeah, these all kind of coordinate together. All right. Now I got them all out of order. There is this set, which I don't think I've ever seen anybody release something like this. This is an hourglass. So you can make it into a shaker. This is the outside part, and this is the inside part. You got all the parts and pieces to make shakers. So you can do really cool scenes with that. This is just pine boughs. Some really nice sprays there. This is a Stampin' Die set. Christmas time sentiments. So you get a banner, some nice sentiments in there, Christmas time, and then this is the matching die for it. All right, so she's got 2 2 scene things. This is Christmas time in the city, and I got the die, Stampin' Die, Christmas time in the city, and then Christmas time in the country. So you got a house here, and then some trees and all kinds of things. So there's the die set for that. So 2 types of scenes. You can mix them together too, because this has a fence, which is in the city. You could use that in the country too. Why not? All right, and then there's this window that also has a stencil that coordinates with it. And the stencil, there are multiples in here. That's interesting. I didn't even look too closely at this one. This one, I already have other windows, but, you know, because I bought it all, there you go. And you can put scenes behind that window too, so that's always nice. This is called Opposites Attract Holiday. So this cuts all the different sentiments that are in here. And you also have a die that cuts the bigger words at the top. So I have both of those. And then the last stamp set I have with the die is this bouquet leaf detail. And this is a layering stamp. And then you get the die to cut the little pieces, and then also a big bunch here. And there is a stamping guide. It's usually facing the other direction. You can kind of see it right there, the edge of it. It's facing the other direction, so that's why you can't see any of the finished product, what it looks like. And then she also gave, there's some freebies in my order. Little snowflakes. She had some that you could purchase, and I think they were blue for some reason. But I have plenty of snowflake sequins. I didn't need to order them, so I didn't add those to my order because those were extra. But I did add these. These are the shaker bits for the oven. I do not have gingerbread pieces, and there are more than just gingerbreads in here. There's candy canes, there's cookies, and they are so cute. They're really tiny, and they fit to the size of what you would need. And oh, there's donuts. Okay, let's see if I can do this without spilling too much. Right. Hopefully I got everything in my hand right now. Look at these cookies. These little clay bit cookies. I could have used these with my tags that I just made. But look how small these gingerbreads are. They're tiny. I need some lotion. I had to wash my hands because I was washing some bottles that I purchased. There's donuts. You see the donuts? So tiny, tiny gingerbread men. I don't have anything this tiny, I don't think, as a die. And then some candy canes, some chocolate chip cookies, or they could be oatmeal raisin, I guess. That's what's in these little mix. Uh-oh. I just dropped one on the floor. So I bought 2 tins of that because I didn't have anything like that already in my stash. That is my haul. I'm going to sit here and craft tonight. I'm supposed to be doing something else, but I'm going to sit here and craft. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye! Hey guys, I'm back. I forgot to show you something. With all the stuff on my desk, I forgot to show you this Stampin' Up! Gingerbread and Peppermint Memories and More card pack. So I really just bought this for the wire racks that are inside of this card kit. Because, and this is an older kit, like not older, but you know, not a current kit, I guess I could say. Well, maybe it is a current kit. I don't know. They have 3, is it 3? Looks like it's 3. 3 of the silver wire racks, and let me put it up against this so you can see it better. Because you guys know I just did some tags with the stamp that I have. This is an actual die cut in that pack, and then there's 3 of the black ones. So that's why I bought the card kit. But this card kit has some awesome things in it. I didn't realize because I never really looked at it closely. I don't sell Stampin' Up! Anymore, so yeah. Here's what's in it. You get these little bases, and they're double-sided. This, and there's the back side. This one, and this is the back side. I like that. This one here, and there's the back side of that. I'm liking the back side. That's really cute. Like the back side of that one too. And then there's this one, and there's the back side. Oh wow, I like the back side of all those pages. Awesome. You get I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 6 of each. And then there's these little, I think these are stickers. They feel like sticker paper. You get, what, 3 of these? 4 of these? I don't know. You get some of these. It's interesting because there's not, I mean, given the name of it, it says gingerbread, but there are no gingerbread men in it. So you get those, and then you get these here. I think these are these die cuts? No, they're stickers. So you get some of these as well. So you get a spatula. Hello. I feel like I just did these. You get these cookie recipe cards, and then the back of side of it is this, which is super cute. Get a mitten. This card, and then there's the back of that one, and then you get this one, and then here's the back of that. I like that. I like the backs of all of these. I don't even know if I'd use that, but I mean, the patterns are really pretty on the back side. So that's the card kit that I forgot to share with you because I got carried away with everything else. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.